Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Gravy Train. Gravy Train is a dog food that actually, I don't want to say I grew up on, but because I didn't eat it. But my dogs, I mean, I can't believe this. They're actually still making this after so many years. When I was a kid, I fed my dog Gravy Train, and I still do. Now, the dog that I, started, feeding Gravy Train to has long since passed away, and now I'm on my third dog, in my life, and I have a German Shepherd. He loves Gravy Train, especially, well, it's a dog food that comes in little chunks like this has like a meaty taste to it, and dogs just love it. You can serve this dry, or you can add a cup of water to every cup of Gravy Train you put in the bowl. So what you do is your Gravy Train dry into a bowl, and then you pour another cup of water in there, and then you swirl it around real good and get all the little chunks nice, damp, and meaty, and it creates like this gravy looking sauce that the actual chunks are swimming around in, and it looks like a stew actually when it's ready to go. And that's how my dogs like to eat it. I mean, you can serve this dry if you want to, and they'll eat it that way too, but especially my dog, the older one, the one from before that since passed away, and the one now, the German Shepherd that I have now, is really in love with the Gravy Train when it's wet. Yeah, he totally prefers that. Sometimes I'll just get lazy sometimes, and I'll just pour it in the bowl as he's sitting there waiting for me to prepare it, right? And I will just pour it in the bowl and walk away, and then he'll look at it and then look back at me and look at it and look back at me, and I know what he's he's trying to tell me. Where's the water? Right? So I'll go get a cup of water because of that look in his eye, and I was like, okay, it's not done yet. So yeah, so I pour it in there, mix it up real good, and that's his signal to chow down. He really likes it a lot, and it's very good for your dog. It leaves them very, very satisfied. It's really a good filling dog food, and the fact that you can serve that dry or wet is really a nice variety, because I know a lot of dogs are picky about the food that they eat. So if you get this and you put it in there dry first, just put it in there dry first and see if they'll eat it. If they decide, no, I don't like this, at least you have a second chance to prepare it a little differently and then try it again another way, like, putting the water in there. So maybe that will be like your second chance, and they'll say, oh, okay, now that since you put it that way, I do like it. Yeah, so I was very happy to be able to still find this. I mean, where I was living about maybe 2 years before I got this place, I couldn't find Gravy Train in the local store that I was shopping at, and I found it again once I moved to this place, and I swear by it. I was happy to find the bag of it, and I was like, oh wow, okay, I know dogs like this. So yeah, just about every dog that I've ever had the pleasure of owning really enjoyed Gravy Train, and they always seemed to take to it and never had an issue with finickiness or not liking the taste or anything like that, because it really does mimic real food when it's wet. When it's wet, it does look like some kind of a stew that you'd get out of a can or something. So yeah, and they really seem to like it, and they want a full bowl of it. Every time I put it down there, they don't leave any left in the bowl. So, and it's good for small dogs, medium dogs, and your extra Great Dane type or St. Bernard large dogs, extra large dogs. They like it too. So yeah, I've never had any issues with this brand, and if it's not broke, I say don't fix it. So yeah, this is a good brand. I'll continue using it as long as they keep making it. It's the Beefy Classic, Beefy Classic brand of Gravy Train. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, this is Gravy Train, the dog food. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.